What if you could predict tomorrow's price action with precision? And then the latest entry model that I'm going to give you in this video, only if you subscribe and then comment down your social handle that I can send you the entire PDF. Now let's get into the video. This is the combination of the next day model and then the blueprint model, which will be the entry model there. I'll be giving you some tips that I've experienced on this market, which will just improve your trading skill. Here we have the GBPUSD blank chart, and then you can see the price actually creating the bullish institutional order flow on the daily chart, and then we can see that the inversion fair value gap has been created. So now we have this swing point, which will be the continuation of this next daily candle. So I'm just going to go to the lower time frame and look for the longs here, targeting this previous day high. So the 1 hour chart, we have this previous day high. Along with this previous day high, you can see that we have this nice bullish dealing range. So now I'm just going to mark out the midnight opening price, and then I'm going to look for the longs here. You see we have this midnight opening price. The price actually dips below into this. Yeah, we can see that the price actually dipped into this FEG, which is a bullish dealing range, right? So now I'm just going to go to the 15-minute chart for the change in the state of delivery. So yeah, you can see that actually the price gave us the change in the state of delivery here. I'm going to pull up the entry point. You can see that we can just buy here and then put the stop loss and then TP here. So you can see the price actually drawing to the previous day high. So the next day model is the only thing you can actually focus, and then it's very easy to actually trade. So here are the steps. Like you just need to figure out what the daily candle is first of all. Like I just go to the daily chart. You can see the price actually creating the swing point here, this inversion fair value gap. And look, you can see that price actually opened up, created a low, and then targeting this previous day high, the top. So for this, you just need to figure out the daily candle profile and then this bullish dealing range, right? And then changing the state of delivery at the 15-minute because it confirms the daily profile. And here we are on the Nasdaq daily chart. As you can see, that the Nasdaq has just created a daily candle, which will be the previous day high, and then I can see the closure above. So we should target this previous day high. I can just go to the H1 chart. You can see we have this nice highs here. So nice range plus the 4-hour fair value, I think. Yeah, this 4-hour fair value gap here. So we'll be targeting the previous day high if we get the open low high close of a day candle. So mark out the midnight opening price here. So midnight opening price should be the very important thing here. Now we got this 15-minute chart where it just accumulated at the Asia session, and then the midnight opening price. The price is actually dipping to the discount of this range. I got this 230, the London session low. So yeah, it just dipping into this deep discount. I can see the price actually creating some sort of displacement. I'll just wait for the 9 a.m., 9:30, and then 10 a.m. You can see we are just arriving at the 9:30. The 9:30 just closed above this up closed candle, which will be the bearish order blocks, right? So we have the news at the 10 a.m. We have this nice 10 a.m. open low. Then it just right at some kind of short-term low. Sell stops. And then now the order block has been confirmed here. You can see. Now I'm just willing to buy here. I put my stop loss below, targeting this previous day high, right? So open low, high close, and then targeting the previous day high. You can see the price just dipped into this order block, which triggered my position. You can see the price actually creating the 11 a.m. open low high close here, and then target hit, which is the previous day high. Now I'm gonna reveal you the entry model here, which will be the blueprint model. So the two time frames which is very important is the 3 a.m. of the London session and then the 9:30 for the Nasdaq, right? So here we got the Nasdaq chart. So blank chart here. I'll be marking up the 9:30. So after the, you know what? Let me just skip it. Midnight opening price first. So it'll be the you can see as we approach the 9:30, you can see the price just manipulated this high, and then here's your entry model. The 9:30 is very important, right? As I said, the 3 a.m. and the 9:30 is the key time for the Nasdaq. So 3 a.m. is the key time for the most Forex pairs, and then it's Nasdaq also. So 15-minute stop hunt at this 9:30. So clear drawn liquidity here. I'll be combining the next day model with this. So 15-minute stop hunt. Now just need to focus on the 5-minute chart. You can see the price clearly took the high here and then closed these down close candles with the bullish order blocks and the bullish fair value gaps here. This is a change in the state of delivery. You can just sell here because this is the order block, right? The change in the state of delivery order block. You can see I can just sell this here. Also, you can just refine into the 1 minute and then look for the order blocks if you just missed this 5-minute order block. You can see the price actually dropping to this lows. Now you can see that I can go to the 1-minute chart now and show you the order blocks there. Right. You can see order block has been tapped and then it created a breaker block and then the order blocks. Yeah, sometimes it'll be the frustrating because it doesn't just retrace that. It's okay. So now you got this blueprint model has some, you know what, the important timings and then the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. So I'll show you the example of the 3 a.m. Now you got this Nasdaq chart again. Now you can see the midnight opening price has been marked here. So I told you, right, the 3 a.m. will be the key time here. So you know that Asia accumulation. I can skip to the 3 a.m. now. You can see the 3 a.m. just opened up. So I can just now move to the 15-minute and look for the entry there. So now you can see that the 3 a.m. just opened right at the short-term low. And then we have this bullish fair value gap, right? And then we got this nice drawn liquidities. And then this again highs. So now we just focus on the 5-minute for the order blocks there. You can see we recreated the down close candles where we can just long here. So I just wait for the again because I don't think that will be the manipulation. So now you can see the price gradually closing these down close candles, right? So now you can use this order block as an entry point here. Let me just enter here and then put my stop loss point and then TP here 1:2, right? So you can see the price actually supporting. Yeah, you can see the drone liquidity has been hit. So there's a 3 a.m. model here where you can just use it, and then we'll be combining the next day model and then this entry model. Here we got the Nasdaq blank chart at the daily. You can see that we have this daily fair value gap, and then we should trade the next day after the key level is hit. So we got this daily FEG, and then you just need to drop to the lower time frame at this daily candle, right? So I'm going to drop to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the price actually creating the displacements, and then you can see the price, the midnight opening price, and then we can actually see that the key time I told you, right, the 3 a.m. and then the 9:30 for the Nasdaq. So let me just go to the 15-minute chart. See, we have this 9:30 here, as I already showed this chart. So this is how you should be combining, right? So we just need to, yeah, you can see the price actually creating the manipulation of the M15, right? This is a blueprint model by the day trading Rauf, and then combining the next day model with the MMXMTrader. So now you gotta just switch to the 5-minute. You can see the price just respecting these bullish PD arrays, and then I've got this displacement. Just sell this FEG or just the order block. And so we got this order block here. So just mark this. You can just short here. Keep my stops at the 9:30 highs. So targeting these lows, you can just target the 1:2, all right? But it's actually the shortest thing here. You can just target the 1:4 or something. You can see the price actually tapping this order block, and then I got this nice reaction from here, and then the price just melted here,